Welcome to another episode of What's for Dinner, Baldman, making a very easy breakfast wrap. I do my potatoes right in the pan, added, as you saw, a half cup or so, or quarter cup of water. Cook them until all that water is evaporated. Easy, dice up an onion. I minced up some garlic with the potatoes as well, a little salt and pepper, a little bit of paprika. So what I was doing with the pork here is trying to duplicate breakfast sausage. Just ground pork. I use some anise versus fennel seed to get that kind of that licoricey taste. That way you get from a lot of the prepackaged ones, or store-bought ones. A little drizzle of maple syrup in there too went a long way to giving it that very much store-bought feel, if that's what you're looking for. Beating my eggs well. I add a little bit of turmeric powder, and some people add milk. I add a splash of chicken broth to mine just to stretch it just a bit that way. Spinach, baby spinach, whatever you have on hand, easy. You can do a soft scramble or full-on hard that way. Don't overcook them because they're going to be cooked some more once you wrap them up and put them in the pan there. I used a press for mine. You can just use your spatula, get your hand on there for about 10-15 seconds just to get that initial browning, and then about a minute or two per side. Very, very simple. Within about 25 minutes, half an hour, you could be making an assembly line for these wraps, all done in hand. You hear that sound? Oh, look at that. So good. Full breakfast, right in hand, easy. You can make a bunch of these. This recipe makes about 4 to 6 wraps. Put them in the fridge. You got hot breakfast. You saved yourself probably anywhere from $4 to $6. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Again, I love you. You guys love me.